will see how we can plot square root of any decimal number on the number line. So we will see here square root of 9.3. How can we represent on the number line? So for that, I'm first going to construct a number line. I'm measuring 9.3 exactly. So my line segment AB is 9.3 centimeters. Now after B, I'm measuring extra 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter, that is BC is 1 centimeter. Now the entire length AC has become 10.3 centimeters. Now I'm going to draw a perpendicular bisector of AC because I need the midpoint of AC. So now I'm drawing the perpendicular bisector of AC. So now I have got the point O, which is the midpoint of AC. Next, I'm going to draw a semicircle taking O as the center and OA as the radius. So this semicircle will have its endpoints on A and C. That is, AC will be the diameter of this semicircle. Next, we are going to construct an angle of 90 degree at the point B. This construction can be done with the protractor or with the compass also. So this is the perpendicular that I have constructed at the point B. Now this perpendicular should touch the semicircle. Now wherever it is meeting the semicircle, this is 90 degree, and wherever this particular angle is meeting the semicircle, that point I will mark as D. Now this length BD will be root of 9.3 centimeters. So I will extend this line. AC will be extended. Then I will take B as the center, BD as the radius, and I will draw an arc such that this arc should intersect the number line. Now wherever this arc will intersect the number line, that point will give me square root of 9.3. So I'm marking that point as P. That point P will be root of 9.3. Now we are going to see the justification of the construction. Why this BD is root of 9.3. The explanation for that we are going to see. So we have constructed this triangle OBD as a right angled triangle because we have constructed angle B as 90 degree. So this becomes a right angled triangle, and we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle OBD. Now here if we see the radius of the semicircle, it will be 10.3 by 2 because this entire length AC is 10.3 and half of AC is the radius of the semicircle. So radius of the semicircle will be 10.3 by 2. BC is 1 centimeter we had taken. So what must be OB? Now we will calculate what is OB. So OC is 10.3 by 2 and BC is 1. So OB can be written as OC minus BC. So that is 10.3 by 2 minus 1, which will give me 8.3 by 2. So now I have OD and I have OB. I need to find what is BD. So using Pythagoras theorem, I can say that OD square is equal to BD square plus OB square. And transposing the terms, I will get BD square is equal to OD square minus OB square. So substituting the values of OD and OB, I will get BD square is equal to 10.3 by 2 square minus 8.3 by 2 square. Now this can be further evaluated with the help of the identity A plus B into A minus B. So that is 10.3 by 2 minus 8.3 by 2 into 10.3 by 2 plus 8.3 by 2. So when I solve this, I will get BD square as 9.3, or BD will be equal to square root of 9.3. So that is how we have justified the construction. So this length BD, this is root of 9.3, and taking this as the radius, we have drawn this arc. So therefore this length from B to this point, this is also root of 9.3.